I so move, Mr. Chairman.
Yes, there's a motion on the floor. Are there any objections? There being none, the motion of Senator Tolentino, Majority Floor Leader Tolentino is hereby approved.
Mr. Chairman, thank you. Again, I move for the adoption of House Bill number 5598, declaring the province of Southern Leyte as a tourism zone in consolidation with Senate Bills number 2435, 1854. I so move, Mr. President. Mr. Chairman.
2435.
2435 and 1854. The province of Southern Leyte as a tourism zone.
Yes, there is a motion. There is a motion. Are there any objections? There being none, that motion is approved. So thank you very much.
Mr. Chair.
Yes, Congressman Madrona.
May I proceed to the next House Bill?
Yes.
House Bill number 8004, area encompassing Mount Damas. Yes, declaring area encompassing Mount Damas and Obod Falls, located in Barangay Maasin, Municipality of San Clemente, Province of Tarlac, an ecotourism by Congressman Jaime Ticoanco. The good congressman requested me to sponsor it in the Senate, and I have his letter. And for that matter, may I move that explanatory note of his original bill, House Bill 5524, be adopted as the sponsorship speech for now the consolidated House Bill 8004. Please so move.
Yes, there's a motion. Any objections? There being none, the motion is approved.
Yes, and Mr. Chair,
Yes.
if I may again
Yes, please
continue.
proceed.
I have 3 House bills for my province of Romblon.
Mr. Chairman,
Yes, Majority
before
Floor
we
Leader, please.
proceed with the indulgence of Congressman Madrona, before we proceed with the next measure, I move for the adoption of House Bill number 8004, an area encompassing Mount Damas and Ubud Falls located in Barangay Maasin, San Clemente, Tarlac as an ecotourism destination. I so move, Mr.
Thank
Chairman.
you. There is a motion. Any objections? There being none, the motion is approved.
Yes, Mr. Chair. Yes, if I may continue. So for my province of Romblon, we have here 3 House bills. House Bill 6467, an act declaring Looc Bay area located in the municipality of Looc, province of Romblon, an ecotourism destination. And we have 2 House Bill number 10116, an act declaring the municipality of San Fernando, province of Romblon, a tourism development area. And finally, House Bill number 5282, an act declaring the municipality of San Jose, popularly known as Isla de Carabao, province of Romblon, a tourism destination. For purposes of sponsorship, may again move that I be allowed to adopt the sponsorship speech, the explanatory notes of the respective House bills as the sponsorship speech of this representation.
Thank you very much. There's a motion. Any objections? There being none, the motion is approved.
Thank you very much, Mr. Chair. But before we pass on for the approval, may I earnestly request the committee to consider some amendments on the 3 House bills, because this would include a very pivotal provision in the House bill that was not yet considered when these House bills were passed in the Congress, in the House of Representatives. Formerly, our provision is that the funding for the implementation of the law shall be included in the annual budget of the LGU. The DOT may augment such allocation with internally generated funds. Now, we have revised this more like the funding for the implementation of this act shall be included in the annual budget of the LGU. The DOT, through the Tourism Infrastructure and Enterprise Zone Authority, CHESA, if necessary, may include such allocation in the CHESA program. So we made it now more specific. And again, may apologies, this should also apply to the previously approved 8004 to make everything at par already, Mr. Chairman. Yeah, that's a motion.
Yeah, so there's a motion from Congressman Adrona. Are there any objections? There being none, the motion is approved and subject to style.
Just one question siguro kay Congressman Madrona. And before we proceed, Mr. Chairman, if we can
Please proceed.
also ask the mayor of San Jose, is there a provision, is there an airstrip right now in Carabao Island? Airstrip?
Yes, Mayor, please.
Ulit po, sir. Anyway, wala pa po kaming airport. Ang travel po doon ay from Manila to Katiklan and then pump boat Katiklan to Carabao.
Then another follow-up question is Carabao Island now, while not as known as Boracay, of the same attraction that can really serve as a magnet for tourists, not just the overspill coming from Boracay, but question is Carabao Island a destination of its own? Hindi lang yung papasyalan dahil galing na ng Boracay. May mga hotel na rin po ba?
Yes po. Anyway, we have accredited for almost 165 rooms. And namely, Asian Age, Rinaldo's, and etc.
Then siguro po kay Congressman, do we have the same provision which you proposed a while ago that would be applicable for Carabao Island? The involvement of CHESA?
Yes, that was included in my motion. And anyway, for the record, Mr. Chair, Senator, our majority leader, I would just want to inform this body that previously, San Jose as a municipality had been in the attention of developers. In fact, there were 3 different developers already submitted proposed development plans. But unfortunately, when it was already a matter of funding issues, these developers just simply evaporated. But frankly, right now, what we can say is, and proudly say is, the island now has a circumferential road that is already comparable to, how do you call our national roads? And you will remember, Sen Mark, you were a very one among the more instrumental in helping me here. So we have already, unlike before, transportation in the island is only by motorcycle. Now you can have air-conditioned 4-wheel vehicles already. And little by little, we're improving. But of course, the more important thing is we should be able to develop that 3.6-kilometer airport. There's already an initial construction, but it was stopped. I think, again, because of problems with the owners.
Yeah, was it a private airport or a public project?
It should have been a public airport.
The funding was stopped from public works or DOTR?
No, not it's supposed to be, how do you call that? CAP. Yes, CAP.
Chairman, may I be now allowed to make the motion? Mr. Chairman, I move for the adoption of House Bill number 6467 as amended, declaring Looc Bay, located in the municipality of Looc, Romblon, as an ecotourism destination. I so move, Mr. Chairman.
There's a motion, and if there are no objections, the motion is approved.
Mr. Chairman, I likewise move for the adoption of House Bill number 10116 as amended, declaring declaring the municipality of San Fernando, province of Romblon, as a tourism development area. I so move, Mr. Chairman.
There is a motion. Are there any objections? There being none, motion is approved.
Chairman, finally, I move that we adopt House Bill number 5282 as amended, declaring Carabao Isla de Carabao, province of Romblon, in the municipality of San Jose, as a tourism destination. I so move, Mr. Chairman.
Thank you. There is a motion. There's no objections. The motion is approved.
Okay, Mr. Picture na lang tayo.
Mr. Chair, Mr. Chairman.
Yes, I think Congressman Madrona would like to make a
Yes,
statement
okay.
before we proceed.
In behalf of the congressmen whose House bills have been passed today, and especially our three municipalities who are are represented by the respective mayors, with the Sangguniang Bayan members with them, and of course from Southern Leyte, I would want to extend our heartfelt thanks and appreciation to very, very fast approvals of our House bills.